ba?
This week, it's okay. It's okay, let's sit here. Be safe.
Right. Are you guys having a good time? Yes. Good morning. Good morning. Right, so the next person we're about to invite on stage, we invite him in a different way. Now, see, they did Smiles in Philippines and they got a Guinness World Book of Records. They won, in one category. I want you guys to smile for the next person we're going to invite on stage. I'm looking at people smiling. This side, people are not smiling. Smile, 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 smile. He is known as Mr. Excitement. He is the chief. He is the chief marketing officer for AIM Global. And you know, brands are best pushed by the people who put more value on those brands. So the man we're about to invite on stage has value on this international brand, and that is none other than Chief Marketing Officer, Mr. John Asbury.
You are very handsome. Anyway, I'm so happy to be here. I'm so excited to meet you guys. Are you happy we're here? Yes. Now let me ask you, who wants to be the next millionaire? May I see the hands? Oh, you have to stand up and shout, yes, me! There you go! There you go! That's how you say it. You have to be excited. You have to be confident. Is it nice to become a millionaire? Yes. Now look around you. Look around you. Come on, look around you. These are the eyes of the next superstars of AIM Global here in Africa. And I believe it will start here in Kenya. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we all want to get... You may sit down now, you may sit down. We all want to be a millionaire. We all want to be a global ambassador. We all want to become successful. But the question is, a lot of people ask this question, is there a risk? Is there a risk? Now my answer to that question is, yes, there is a risk. There will always be risk. You cannot avoid risk. The moment you step out of your place, the moment you get out of your house, there is risk. The moment you want to learn how to ride a bike, there is risk. You want to go to school, there is risk. We went there all the way from the Philippines going to Africa. There is risk. You cannot avoid risk. There will be always risk. Now the question is, how do you avoid risk? Huh? You cannot avoid risk. You can only minimize the risk. Are you getting me? Yes. You can minimize the risk. Another question. Are there people who fail in this kind of business? Yes! A lot of them. In the Philippines, there are a lot of successful, but there are a lot of failures too. Now, how can you minimize the risk? There is a key, not a secret. Because if it's a secret, I'm not going to tell you. Because it's a secret. There is a key to minimize the risk. Slides, please. Read this. Nothing great was ever achieved without facing risk. Now picture yourself. Your dreams are over there. And you will start over here. There is no such thing as walk in the park and so easy to get your dreams. There is no such thing. You must be determined. It will take a lot of courage. You will face a lot of challenges. At times, you will trip. At times, you will fall. But that is part of success. You cannot be successful without being a failure. Am I right? Yes. So, ladies and gentlemen, how do you minimize risk? Next slide, please. Now, when you talk about risk, R-I-S-K, you cannot read it by the way. You cannot read it from the back, right? I have to read it from you. R means responsible. I means take the initiative. Say initiative. Initiative. S means skills. And finally, K means knowledge. Can you say that again? Knowledge. Now let's talk about knowledge first. We've all known that knowledge is power. Can you say that? Knowledge is power. Knowledge is power. If you know, you have an edge. I remember when I was young, I was living with a doctor because I don't have enough money to stay in my own place while I was studying. And that doctor, his name is Dr. Romero. Every time we eat dinner, he always talks about a lot of things, about positive things in life. One time, and I will never forget this, he said these words: if you know, you will know that you know less. I will repeat. If you know, you will know that you know less. Is that right? If you know something new, then you will realize that you know lesser, right? Alright, knowledge is power. The pursuit of knowledge is never unending. They say, the moment you stop learning, that is the start of your downfall. If you want to be great, then keep on learning. Keep on attending seminars. That is why we are here. We are providing to you the trainings that you need. That's the reason why we are here. Because of you. We want you to learn. We want to teach you to become successful and to become professional networkers. Yeah. Can you clap your hands for that? Next slide, please. Skills. No one is born a networker. No one is born a networker. That's why you need a lot of practice. You need a lot of training. You need to develop skills that are needed. Otherwise, with this, you will need to lie, steal or cheat, or depend on others for your survival. Is that right? Yes. That is why you need to learn. And learning, we want to gain skills, it means a lot of practice. Can you tell the person beside you? Practice. Because practice makes perfect. Alright, right. Now, listen to this. Who knows how to drive a car here? A vehicle. Who knows how to drive? Who saw someone driving if you don't know how to drive? Now, imagine, teach a person who was a first timer in driving. You have to teach a lot of things. The gear, imagine the gear, especially on manual. There is first gear, second gear, third gear, fourth gear, fifth gear. There is neutral, and there is reverse. You only have one hand, but you have to think a lot of things. And that's not enough. That's only part of it. There is clutch, brake, accelerator. You only have 2 foot. And yet, is it 2 foot, 2 feet? I'm just thinking if you know it. You have to teach a lot of things. And then there's the steering wheel. There's the aircon, the radio, the wiper. What else? The bright light, the dim light, the signal light, the rear view mirror, the side view mirror,